Okay, I took all this apart now.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see. And I took all this springs and square bolts and stuff off of there.
That's not standard for that, is that?
No. So anyway, I made a bushing there that's exactly 5/8 or 7/16, and I made a bushing here. They're welded.
Okay.
And then I put lock nuts on. So there's reverse, there's neutral,
Yeah.
and then low and below.
Okay.
And works so slick.
And that lines up with the transmission, no problem?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna put a guard up here. So this would be park,
Yeah.
and then I'll make the slots up. So next shift down is reverse, and then neutral, and then so on.
Okay. Was there any other surprises you found here?
Well, I took these boards out of here because this is all broken, eh?
Yeah.
And we'll vacuum this up nice and clean because this floor is coming out, eh?
Yeah.
This floor.
Okay.
It has nothing to do with this.
Now, if you cut out this floor, is it going to affect anything here, or?
No, it'll be a hole, eh?
Okay.
I'll just zip cut this off here,
Yeah.
and we'll put a new floor in all the way through.
Okay. Okay, so that's what you've been working on here today.
Well, that's all I got done there.
Yeah.
But it's done now, eh?
Okay. You happy with what you got done there?
I'm happy with what I got done there
Okay.
because you didn't know where you were
Yeah.
on the shifter. It was wore out loose, eh?
Okay.
All right, carry on.